Hello guys, this is Indian Medico, and in this video we are going to see about tuberculosis of joints. Tuberculosis can lead to granulomatous infection of bone or joints. It is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Sometimes atypical mycobacteria can also cause tuberculosis of joints. 35% of extrapulmonary tuberculosis occurs in bone and joint from undirected pulmonary source. Patients at risk are those with immunocompromise like diabetic patients and patients receiving anti-tumor necrosis factor therapy. Now let us see about the clinical features of joint tuberculosis. The patient may complain of indolent local pain which is gradually increasing in severity. A PPD skin test should be done for patients with chronic atypical musculoskeletal infections to diagnose joint tuberculosis. Let us see about the radiological findings of joint tuberculosis. This picture shows X-ray of knee joint affected by tuberculosis. There is lysis, reactive sclerosis, joint space narrowing, and irregular erosions. Both sides of the joint are affected. This picture shows MRI of the same findings. This picture shows a hip joint affected by tuberculosis. Note lysis, sclerosis, and joint space narrowing in this X-ray. Let us see about the differential diagnosis of joint tuberculosis. We have to rule out other granulomatous infections of bone and joints which can be caused by Coccidioides immitis and Candida. Other differential diagnoses include osteomyelitis, primary or metastatic tumors, sarcoidosis, lymphoma, and foreign body reaction. Let us see about the treatment of joint tuberculosis. Medical regimen, same as for pulmonary tuberculosis, should be given to the patient. That is, the patient should complete full course of anti-tubercular treatment. Surgical intervention like joint fusion can also be done for some cases. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. For more such videos, please check out my playlists. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe. Your subscription will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you.